Welcome to SOAPEX Learning, powered by Sashay Learning. Enjoy the learning with School of Excellence.
Where were you when the world changed? I grew up in the world where people did what they were told, followed instructions, found job, made a living, and that was that. Now we live in the world where all the joy and profit have been squeezed out of following the rules. Outsourcing, automation, and the new marketing punish anyone who is merely good, merely obedient, and merely reliable. It doesn't matter if you are a wedding photographer or an insurance broker, there's no longer a clear path to satisfaction in working for the man, the factory, the system where organized labor meets patient capital, productivity improving devices. Leverage has fallen apart. Ohio and Michigan have lost their real factories. Just the factories of the service industries have crumbled as well. Worse is the type of low risk, high stability jobs that three quarters of us crave have turned into a dead end traps of dissatisfaction and unfair risks. The essence of the problem: the working middle class is suffering. Wages are stagnant, job security is, for many people, a fading memory, and stress is skyrocketing. Now, where to run, and apparently nowhere to hide. The cause of suffering is desire of organization turn employees into replaceable cogs in a vast machine. The easier people are to replace, the less they need to be paid, and so far, workers have been complicit in this commoditization. This is your opportunity. The indispensable employee bring humanity. This indispensable employee brings humanity and connection in art to her organization. She is the key player, the one who's difficult to live without. The people you can build something around. You reject whining about economy and force yourself to acknowledge that factory job is dead. Instead, you recognize the opportunity of becoming indispensable, highly sought after, and unique. If the purple cow is a product that's worth talking about, the indispensable employee, I call her a linchpin, is a person who is worth finding and keeping.
Welcome to SOAPEX Learning, powered by Sashay Learning. Enjoy the learning with School of Excellence.